Hello. I want to talk about a way of thinking about angles today that goes way beyond what has happened so far. So far, we've talked about triangles. Trigonometry is all about triangle measure. So if there's going to be angles, maybe the first kind of angles to look at are angles that can be in a triangle. When you draw a triangle, no matter how you draw the triangle, you are going to measure the angles. The usual thing to do is to measure the angles and have the units be degrees or radians, but have it be positive, so that this angle is some positive quantity, this angle some positive quantity, and this angle is a positive quantity. And an early fact about geometry is that the sum of angles in a triangle has to add up to be 180 degrees. Well, if you've got three positive numbers adding up to 180 degrees, that means that no one of the numbers can be as big as 180 degrees. You add up three positive numbers, the biggest one is going to be just shy of 180 degrees. Which means that if you want to make sense of trigonometric functions for angles that don't fit in a triangle, there has to be a new idea involved. There has to be a new way of thinking about what an angle is, what a triangle is, so that that can be allowed. We're going to talk about that today, about general angles and coming up with trigonometric functions of general angles. I hate to give the game away too early. I mean, I'd like you to watch the PowerPoint and see the discussion there. But what makes it work is thinking about an angle as being specified by any terminal line and measuring it from the positive x-axis as the initial side and going anywhere. Here is one that is a little bigger than 90 degrees, but there's nothing to stop the angle from going around and measuring it to here. The trick is making that make sense as determining an angle in a triangle. So, see how that works today.